Hey, it's Marty from Aspect LED. Today we're at the University of St. Thomas in St. Paul, Minnesota. We're replacing the lights in this fountain. To do that, we have to take the old lights out and pull the potting out of the junction box. We're going to go over that process here today. We've taken out the fountain area guards and we took off the junction box cover. What we're going to do is take all the wires out of the existing junction box. We have to be careful because there's other wires that don't relate to the lighting. We're going to take them out, put the new fixtures in. Here's the new fixtures, nice and pretty. Install them and get it all set up. It'll need to cure for about a day, and then they'll reflood the fountain and it'll be ready to go. So we have taken out the old lights and we're mounting the new lights onto this bracket. They surround the nozzle and light it from all four sides. It's important to note that these are underwater lights. What that means is you can't run them without having them submersed in water because it uses water as a heat sink. So don't run these lights dry.
Okay, so now we're putting our wires in and we're sealing them with a little bit of silicone and tightening the fastener around them. We're shortening the wires up and joining them with wire nuts, making sure that we have good connections for all of them. You want to make sure you have a great connection on all of these because it'll be sealed up and you won't be able to get to it.
Alright, we just tested the lights to make sure that all four are working. We had them on for only a short time, about 10 seconds, to make sure that we had good connections and that we could display the customer's specific color. You want to make sure everything works before you commit with the potting compound, because once it's in there, it's set, and if you have to redo it, you have to start over.
For this potting compound, the ratio was 2-to-1. Always follow the instructions for the potting compound you are using.
Alright, we just finished pouring the potting compound in our junction box. It needs to cure for 24 to 48 hours. After it's cured, we're going to refill the fountain and show what this light fixture looks like. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.